Hi, good evening everyone. I came up with a very small video to tell two functionalities which are available in YouTube. Recently, YouTube has provided a functionality to split the respective video based on the different topics. For example, if you take any of the courses like LSNW or mock interview, these PR release procedure, for these kind of topics, we cannot differentiate which topic is started at what place and which topic is completed. That kind of segregation is not possible. But especially when you check my discussion videos or interview discussion videos or doubt sessions videos, these videos have within a 40 minutes or 1 hour of duration, we may discuss 7 topics or 6 topics, 8 topics, like that. So for these kind of videos, this functionality will be definitely helpful. I will explain what exactly the functionality, and also I will request you to the people who are watching, and if the functionality is not visible here, you can provide in your comments which minute, at what duration, what kind of topic is started, so that I can copy that and I can apply. Anyway, even I'm working in the back end to check all those kind of doubts videos to put like this. Let me explain what is the functionality. See, when you open the video here, you can see here there is a bifurcation we can see. Okay, this bifurcation is activated now by YouTube, the new functionality. You can see here the first material deletion flag and material status concept, that is explained till here. Then the next topic is purchase order BAPI template. Okay, explaining the purchase order BAPI template. Then auto tax code update. So there are multiple. If you want to go to directly this area, for example, you came to this video and you open here and you want to check it, what is the details about the PR and PO price. So you can directly jump here and you can watch the video. Okay, so that's what the benefit of here. How can we achieve this benefit? This benefit is available in my video description. If I keep like this, okay, if I keep like this, the starting minutes, for example, if you click here, you're asking, you can directly go there. Okay, if you come to the description and select the minutes, it can go directly, or else you can use this the bifurcation which is provided by YouTube. It's a latest functionality. So this latest functionality can be visible like this after I maintain the splitting with these minutes, like that. I am updating my most of the videos. Okay, wherever the videos related to doubt session and interview discussions related, so I'm updating. So for your easy update, you can come to the description, and which topic you wanted to go, you can directly click here. Otherwise, you may not aware about the description, you can directly come to the video, and you can see here. If you just put the cursor here, you will see the list of topics discussed in this video. So you can select the topic which one you wanted to watch. For example, other 2-3 topics you already know well, so that you can directly go to the topic. Please use this new functionality from YouTube. I hope it will be helpful for you, and I will try to maintain these things for most of the cases. And as you aware that now I'm on Udemy, the Udemy courses also I'm updating in the description for the most of the videos. You can always use it. And if you want to support, you may forget, I know that one, but if you, when you do shopping at Amazon, if you remember my name, if you remember my name or my Amazon, you can just come to the description and click on this link, and then you can buy whatever you want. Okay, or else you can go to my blog. You can bookmark this link also. If you just click on the link, system will take you to the Amazon app. Then whatever you buy, and I get some percentage of commission from directly from Amazon. You should buy it, then only you can get it. Okay, uh, so if you remember, you can go and buy, so that it will give some commission to me. That commission can be utilized for some of the activities I do in my YouTube channel. Recently you would have seen that plantation and donation to orphan houses, different activities. Definitely this Amazon related one, we can allocate for that, so that we are all involving for a contribution. And that too, the commission is coming from a $1 billion company. So hope you can remember and you can use it. The next functionality I wanted to highlight, you always see that whenever you come to my videos, you will see the right hand side the different topics. After we got the 10,000 subscribers, YouTube has provided a new functionality called this mix. Okay, always this mixed playlist will be visible at the right hand side. So this mixed playlist will contain the similar kind of videos and the relevant videos which are uh, filtered by YouTube, and they put all the videos in that mix, so that if you go and come here, so you will see all the details. R1 assigned. Okay. Once you click on the mix, so that release code, if you once you come to this mix and click on here, so system will show you what is the current status of the material, all the videos related to that area, and based on the filtration you can select which video you wanted to see. So this is kind of a playlist, but that playlist is decided by dynamic playlist, which is decided by the YouTube. So you can utilize that function. And this cursor also, I'm going to upload most of the videos, discussion videos. I will upload the data. I hope it will be helpful for you. And thanks for your time, and utilize the playlist and watch my videos. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you want to join, we have started the membership. Okay, the special membership. If you wanted to join, you can join as a special member or a bronze member. Okay. Thanks again for your time, and have a good evening.